How to load another activity or intent automatically using timer class. So create your and inside the onCreate, we use the schedule method. So we schedule the specific tasks for execution at a specified time. Here we are going to use 4,000 million, that is 4 seconds. Timer task. New timer task. Just click on it, it will do its work. Okay. Inside the public void, let's create our intent. Our intent, new intent, and this will take 3 parameters. The activity that you are, that is the page we are right now, and the package name, and the next activity you want to move to. And so the package name, that is our package for this app. And then the activity we want to migrate to dot class. If you are using Kotlin, you use Java dot class. Part activity, we start this intent. Our intent that we just created, the new intent we call it here. Finished. Then our so we are 1,000